Good evening.
Good evening all. Good evening. Okay, all are ready? All are ready for class?
Yes.
Okay, good. So we will continue the exercise in the workbook. Okay, and before that we can just revise the flat figure and solid figure. Okay, we can revise first the flat figures and solid figures, then we can move to the workbook exercise. Okay, now Rose and Francis, please unmute your device. Rose and Francis, please unmute your device. Okay. Name all the flat figures. Name all the flat figures. Okay. Yes.
Rectangle.
Yes.
Triangle. Circle.
Very good. Okay. Very good, Rose. So we saw square, triangle, rectangle, and circle. These are the 4 flat figures. Okay. Good. Now, Diya KP, please unmute your device and say something about triangle. Say something about triangle. Diya, please unmute your device once more. Okay, and now you can see something about
Yes,
triangle.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, say something about triangle. Diya, say something about triangle. How many corners are there? How many sides are there? There are 3 sides and 3 corners. Okay,
Corners.
3 sides and 3 corners. Good. Okay, now Shivanidya, say something about square.
And both sides are equal.
Which one?
4 sides are equal.
Very good. 4 sides are equal. There are 4 corners and 4 sides. All the 4 sides are equal. Very good, Shivanidya. Now, Antonishan, say something about a rectangle.
No, ma'am.
Say something about a rectangle.
Opposite sides are equal.
Very good. Opposite sides are equal. How many corners are there?
4 corners.
Very good. How many sides are there?
4.
Very good. There are 4 sides, there are 4 corners, and also see we can say the opposite sides are equal. Okay, now the last one. Sarah Rofin, please unmute. Say something about circle.
Jingle bell money.
Say something about circle.
Circle have no corners, no sides.
Very good. Circle has no corners and no sides. Very good. Okay. So we completed the flat figures and we will move to the solid figures. Okay. Now Daksha Lakshmi, name one object having the shape of a cube.
Rubik's Cube.
Very good. Rubik's cube look like cube. Okay. Now Krishna Raj, please unmute. And name one object having the shape of a cuboid. Krishna Raj, name one object having the shape of a cuboid. Krishna Raj, say answer. Name one object having the shape of a cuboid. Say louder. I can't hear you. Please say louder. Matchbox. Okay, matchbox is an example. Good, Krishna Raj. Okay. Now, Diya says, name one object having the shape of a cone. Name one object. Very good. Birthday cap is an example. Good. Very good. Okay. Now, Abel Sijo, name one object having the shape of a cylinder.
So, cup and gas cylinder.
Gas cylinder is also an example for cylinder shape. Very good. Now, Ashujit, name one object having the shape of a sphere. Name one object having the shape of a sphere. Ball. Ball is an example. Okay. So we completed the revising of solid figure also. Now we will move to the exercise which is in the textbook, which is in the workbook. Okay. All of you please take a workbook and pencil. Okay. All of you please take workbook and pencil. Okay, we will do the exercise which is related to flat figures and solid figures. Okay, also we saw there are 4 flat figures: triangle, rectangle, circle and square. Okay, and also we saw triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners, and rectangle having 4 sides and 4 corners, square having 4 sides and 4 corners, and circle has no corner and no sides. Okay, and we saw there are 5 solid figures. Okay, first we saw cube. Dice and Rubik's cube is an example for cube shape. Okay, then we saw cuboid. Okay, cuboid we see matchbox, box, pencil box, book. All these are examples. Then we see cone shape. Okay, birthday cap and ice cream cone. All these are examples for cone shape object. And also we saw cylinder shape object, battery, gas cylinder, log of food. All these are examples for cylinder shape objects. And globe, then we saw image of earth and bowl. All these are examples for sphere shape objects. Okay, now we will do the exercise which is related to these flat figures and solid figures. Okay, can you see the screen? Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay, now we will do the exercise. We completed up to 17. Okay, we completed up to 17. Now we will start from 18th onwards. Okay, we will start from 18th onwards, and those who have the workbook, they will do in that, and those who don't have, they will write the page number and the answers in the rough book, and when you get the workbook, copy into that. Okay, now we will move to the exercises. Okay, Samanvaya, please unmute your device. Okay, and let us see the 18th question. Okay, 18th question. Circle the shape and write its number. We have to circle the given shape and we have to count how many are there. Okay, now let us see the first one. It's a cube. Okay, so you can see in the second column there are shapes, solid figures are there. Okay, from this we have to find out how many cubes are there. Okay, Samanvaya, you have to find out how many cubes are there. Okay, you can see the cube in which color, Samanvaya, here?
Blue.
Blue color. Okay, so how many cubes are there? How many cubes are there? We can see 1, 2 and 3. So there are 3 cubes. Okay, so that number we can write here. Okay, there are 3 cubes. Very good, Samanvaya. Okay, there are 3 cubes. There are 3 cubes. Okay, now Prithvi, can we move to next one? Prithvi, please unmute your device.
Yes.
Can we move to next one?
Yes.
Okay, this is a cylinder. Second one is a cylinder.
Cylinder.
Okay, how many cylinders are there? In that column, how many cylinders are there? Cylinder shape. Here we can see 1.
2.
Here also we can see second one. Okay, so there are 2 cylinders. Okay, there are 2 cylinders. So here we can write there are 2 cylinder shape objects. Okay, so we can write 2, the number 2. Very good, Prithvi. Okay, now Devadarsh. Okay, can we move to next one?
Yes.
Okay, it's sphere. Okay, it's sphere. Okay, see how many spheres are there?
In your
Spheres are which color here? Here we can see 1. Here we can see another one.
number
Yes, you can write.
3, 4.
There are 4 spheres. Okay, there are 4 spheres. Okay, so we can write the number 4. So all of you, please write the number in the column. Okay, the number in the column. So in the table, the first column we can see there are 2 cubes. Second one, there are 2 cylinders. 3 cubes, 2 cylinders, and the third one, 4 spheres. 4 spheres. There are 4 spheres, and spheres are in green color. Now those who completed can take the page number 5. Those who completed page number 4 can take the page number 5.
Am I not finished?
Okay, you complete it. After that, we can move to the next page. Ara, please unmute your device. You completed the page number 4.
Yes.
Can we move to number 5?
Yes.
Okay, let me take page number 5. Okay. Okay, now here we have to fill in the
Am
blanks.
I not finished?
Okay, so I will show you once more. Okay, you please complete it. Okay, you please complete it. Can we move to next page? Now it is completed.
Yes.
Okay, now we will move to the next one, next page. Okay, Arav, please unmute your device. Okay, Arav, please unmute your device. Okay, here we have to fill in the blanks. Okay, here we have to fill in the blanks. Okay, now the first question. Arav, please listen. Okay, first question. It is raining dash. In the bracket we can see inside, outside, the house. Here fill in the blanks with the correct spatial words. Spatial words means positional words, maybe inside or outside, on, under, in front of, behind. These are the positional words. So the first question, it is raining dash inside or outside the house. Where is raining? Is it inside the house or outside the house?
Outside.
Very good. It is outside. So we can put a tick mark for outside. Okay. And we can write the spelling outside here. O-U-T-S-I-D-E. Outside. It is raining outside the house. It is raining outside the house.
S-I-D.
It is raining outside the house. O-U-T-S-I-D-E. Outside. Smriti, please unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can we move to number 2? Question number 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Now listen to ma'am. Okay, Smriti. Okay. In the class, I sit dash behind or in front of. Okay, the bracket we can see behind or in front of the blackboard. Okay, in the class we will sit dash the blackboard. Is it behind the blackboard or in front of the blackboard?
In front of.
Very good. We will sit in front of the blackboard. If we are sitting in front of the blackboard, we can see what mom is writing on the board. Okay. If we are sitting behind, we can't see. Okay. So the answer is in front of. So here we can write the spelling of in front of. I-N in. Front. F-R-O-N-T. In front of. O-F. In front of. In front of. I-N in front. F-R-O-N-T. Front of. Devadarsh, what happened? Devadarsh, please come. Come to the screen. Near to the screen. Okay, Nainika, are you ready?
Yes,
Okay, can we move to the next question? Question number 3. Okay. Question number 3. Question number 3. Okay.
Okay.
We always sit dash in the bracket under on the chair. We always sit dash the chair. Where we will sit? Under the chair or on the chair? Where we will sit? On. Very good. We will sit on the chair. So we can put tick mark for on. We can put tick mark for on. Okay. We can write the spelling on here. O-N, on. We always sit on the chair. We always sit on the chair.
O-N, on.
Good. O-N, on. Sahasra, are you ready? Are you ready for the fourth question? Okay. Can we read?
Yes.
Okay. Now the fourth question. Which shape has only 3 corners? Which shape?
Triangle.
Very good. Triangle has 3 corners. Can you see the spelling of triangle?
Yes.
Okay, please see the spelling of triangle.
E
R
R
R
A
R
N G L E.
Very good. Triangle. 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 Okay. Afia Maria? Afia, are you ready? Can we move to the question number 5?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the question number 5. What is the shape of a 10 rupee note? See, I show you one 10 rupee note. Okay. One 10 rupee note. What is the shape of the 10 rupee note? What is the shape of a 10 rupee note? Say louder. I can't hear you.
Rectangle.
Very good. It's a rectangle. It's a rectangle. Say the spelling of rectangle. Say the spelling of rectangle.
R E T A N G L E.
Very good. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle.
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Rafan Muhammad, are you writing? Rafan, are you writing in the workbook?
Yes.
Okay, you completed the spelling of rectangle.
Yes.
Can we move to question number 6?
Yes.
Okay, now the question number 6. Which shape has no sides? Which shape has no sides? Rafan, say answer. Which shape has no sides?
Circle.
Very good. Circle. Say the spelling of circle. Others, please mute your device. Okay, very good. C-I-R-C-L-E. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. Veda Vinod Kumar, are you ready? Veda, are you ready? Okay, please unmute your device. Veda, please unmute once more. Okay, now we will move to the next question. Okay, 7th question. What is the shape of a duster? I will show you the duster. Okay, Veda, just see this one. What is the shape of a duster? This is a duster. Okay, this side you can see sponge. What is the shape of a duster?
Cuboid.
Very good.
Cuboid.
Cuboid. Okay.
Cuboid.
Can you see the spelling of cuboid?
C U
Yes.
B
Uh,
O
D C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid.
Mario.
Okay. C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. Anmia Faustina, did you complete the answer? Anmia Faustina, please unmute your device. Anmia. Anmia, can you hear, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can we move to next question? 8th question. What is the shape of a globe? Anmia, what is the shape of a globe? Anmia, what is the shape of a globe?
Circle.
Globe. Globe is a solid figure. So what will come? Solid shape. Solid shape. So solid shapes are cube, cone, cuboid, cylinder and sphere. So which one will come for a globe?
Sphere.
Very good. It's sphere. Okay. Now see the spelling of sphere. See the spelling of sphere. Yes. Very good. Yes. P H E R E. Sphere. S P H E R E. Sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E. Aradhya, are you ready? Please unmute your device, Aradhya. Aradhya, please unmute your device. Okay, are you ready for 9th question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now say the answer of 9th question. Okay, the question is, give an example of a cone. Give an example of a cone. Give an example for cone-shaped object.
Birthday cap.
Very good. We can write birthday cap or ice cream cone is also correct. Okay. Now we can write here birthday cap. B-I-R-T-H-D-A-Y. Birthday cap. C-A-P cap. Birthday cap. B-I-R-T-H-D-A-Y. Birthday cap. B-I-R-T-H-D-A-Y. Birthday cap. C-A-P cap. A friend, what are you doing? Okay, are you ready for the 10th question?
Yes.
Okay, the 10th question, the last question. Okay, what is the shape of a chessboard? I will show you the chessboard. Okay, what is the shape of a chessboard?
Square.
Very good. It is square. Okay, so what is spelling of square? What is spelling of square?
S-U-R-S-E.
Okay, once more say square spelling.
S-Q-U-R-A.
S-Q-U. After that what? S-Q-U. That much I hear. S-Q-U. After that? A. Then? R-E. Very good. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square.
completed.
Very good. I also completed.
And my finish.
Very good, very good, April, very good.
Has completed.
Stop sharing.
Completed.
Very good. All of you finished? All of you completed? Is there anyone to complete?
Yes.
Is there anyone to complete?
Yes.
Okay, now I will show you once more. Okay, I will show you once more. Those who didn't complete, they can do it now. Those who didn't complete, they can do it now. Okay. Very good, Anthony. Very good. Efrin, very good. Okay, Ashif, I saw very good. Okay, Afrin, I saw very good. Very good, Krishna, very good. Ishan Krishna, very good. Okay, Ansel, good. Very good. Very good, Daksha. Daksha, I saw the book. Yes. Okay, Sarah, very good, Sarah. Sarah, very good. Rose and Francis, I saw the book. Very good. Okay, good. Sahasra, I saw the book. Anmiya, very good. Anmita, very good. Very good. Sahasra, very good. Afia, very good. Diya also very good. I saw the book. Okay. Now let me stop sharing.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Now listen to ma'am. Okay. Listen to ma'am. Okay. So now we completed this chapter 1 exercise in the workbook also, textbook also. Okay. Now we will move to the next chapter tomorrow. Okay. We will start the second chapter tomorrow. What about this first chapter? Is it easy?
Yes.
Easy. Don't know the spelling.
It was easy.
Flat figure and solid
Ma'am,
figure. You have to write and study. Okay. You have to write and study the spelling of flat figure and solid figure. Okay. It is compulsory. Okay. If you don't know, you have to write and study. Okay. So by this, I am going to ending the session today. So thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Tomorrow. Bye.